Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to turn off message requests on Instagram. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is open up the Instagram app. Once you've done this, you want to go to your profile in the bottom right corner. You then want to click on the three lines in the top right corner and click Settings. Once you're at the settings page, you can go ahead and select Privacy. From here, it's going to show you all the interactions, and at the very bottom of this list, it's going to say Messages. You want to go ahead and click that. From here, you can change it by clicking your followers on Instagram. Go ahead and click that. So, deliver requests to message requests, or you can also don't receive requests. So if you don't want requests, just turn it off. Also, this is just for your friends. So if you want to do it for everybody, you can go down to others on Instagram, underneath other people, and see don't receive requests. You can turn that on so you don't receive any requests at all. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps with the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.